Hello and konnichiwa, and welcome to Youkoso, Japanese for Middle Schoolers, Week 2. This week we're going to learn about the different forms of writing in Japanese. So we have 3 different writing systems in Japanese: hiragana, katakana, and kanji. So in this sentence here you see, I like coffee. In Japanese we say, kohi ga suki desu. And you'll see katakana used here. This is a form of writing used for foreign words. So if you notice, kohi kind of sounds like coffee, right? Well, in Japanese we'd write it in this form of writing, katakana. Then we'll go on to hiragana. This is their basic alphabet. It's kind of like our ABCs. So you'll notice automatically that there's a difference in hiragana and katakana. Katakana characters are very straight edges, sharp, have masculine features, whereas the hiragana characters are more rounded and have little loops and are more curved and have more feminine features. So that is actually because hiragana was a form of writing created by women back in the ancient days in Japan as like a secret women's language. So that's a little fun fact about hiragana. And then lastly we have kanji. Kanji is like the Chinese characters of Japanese. Chinese and Japanese use the same kanji characters, and each kanji is a picture that symbolizes a word. And for example, this kanji here, you can pronounce it su, and this means like. However, you could write suki, you could write that all in hiragana. You just write it as the hiragana su, which is right here. So I don't know if anyone here has learned any sign language, but I like to use that as an example for learning Japanese and understanding hiragana and kanji. So in sign language, you can spell out a word using the alphabet, or you could use its more complicated hand gesture that represents the word. It's the same kind of thing in Japanese. For this class, we're going to focus only on hiragana and katakana a little bit. I don't expect you to learn these characters and how to write them quite yet. We'll go into that in the next class. And don't even worry about kanji yet, because it's just a little too complicated and I don't want you to get too confused. And so yeah, let's just focus on hiragana for now. And let's see, so here we have the hiragana and katakana charts. You may notice automatically that they have the same sounds: a, I, u, e, o. So those are the vowels in Japanese, and they never change. They always say the same. Like, for example, you're not going to say a, I, I, u. That you don't change. It just stays a, I, u, e, o. And then we have our consonants. We go down the list: K, S, T, N, H, M, Y, R, W, and N. So you can see this chart. It goes ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, sa, shi, su, se, so, ta, chi, tsu, te, to. Maybe you notice that this is an irregular sound here. There's a few irregular sounds in their alphabet, and Let's actually go to this hiragana chart that I made. I think it'll be a little bit clearer to understand. So it's a little big, but that'll do. So you see how I have it set up here? And I have the irregular sounds in parentheses. So, for example, you go sa, she, you don't say si, you say she, su, se, so. And we'll go into this next. So, if you may notice that in hiragana, some of the characters look exactly the same, but they have, oh, what does this go away? They have a little, two little lines right here. And that symbolizes a change in the consonant of the character. So, for example, we have sashi, su, se, so. And then if we add the two little lines, we go za, ji, which is irregular, zu, ze, zo. And we have more examples of that with ta, chi, tsu, te, to. Add the little lines. Da, ji, zu. These are both irregular. De, do. And we have a few different variations with ha, hi, fu, he, ho. With the two lines, you say ba, bi, bu, be, bo. And this is special to just the ha, hi, fu, fe, he, ho. If you add a little circle, it goes pa, pi, pu, pe, bo. Kind of fun, huh? So, and then for Y, we only have ya, you, and yo. And for W, we just have wa and wo. And then we have, lastly, which is in its own category. So I hope that helps you to understand how to pronounce Japanese words, as well as understand the 3 different writing systems a little bit better. And have fun with this week's lessons. And if you need any help, feel free to message me anytime. Alright, ganbatte!